Dillon Gabriel is an American professional football quarterback for the Cleveland Browns of the National Football League. Gabriel was born on December 28, 2000 in Mililani, Hawaii and named after Corey Dillon to parents of Filipino and Native Hawaiian ancestry. His father Garrett Gabriel played college football as a quarterback for the University of Hawaiʻi at Mānoa from 1987 to 1990 and his mother Dori Gabriel played college softball for Loyola Marymount University. In his final college season in 2024, he was a member of the Oregon Ducks, earning first-team All-American honors and being named the Big Ten Most Valuable Player. Gabriel finished his college career with an FBS record 155 touchdown passes. He was selected by the Browns in the third round of the 2025 NFL Draft. Gabriel has two brothers, the older, Garrett Gabriel, a former college volleyball player at Orange Coast College who is now Dillon's business manager, and the younger, Roman Gabriel, a college basketball player at Bushnell University named after Roman Gabriel, the former Filipino-American NFL quarterback and MVP. Gabriel was selected by the Cleveland Browns in the third round of the 2025 NFL Draft, 94th overall, which the Browns previously acquired in a trade that sent Amari Cooper to the Buffalo Bills. On October 1, 2025, he was named the Browns' starting quarterback, replacing Joey Flacco. On December 9, 2023, Gabriel announced that he would be transferring to Oregon. In his debut with the Ducks, he passed for 380 yards. On December 16, 2021, Gabriel originally announced he would transfer to UCLA. However, less than 3 weeks later, Gabriel announced he would instead transfer to Oklahoma on January 3, 2022. On December 4, 2023, after 2 seasons with the Sooners, Gabriel announced that he would be leaving Oklahoma and again entering the NCAA transfer portal. On September 17, 2021, in a regular season game against Louisville, Gabriel was injured on the final play of the game, a multilateral attempt at a miracle touchdown by the Knights. Gabriel was crafted off the field and X-rays were taken off his shoulder after the game. He suffered a broken left clavicle that, despite not requiring surgery, ultimately ended his season early. On November 27, 2021, Gabriel announced via social media that he would be transferring from UCF.